Kauwi ko lang Tacloban guys, and share ko lang habang nasa China ako. And even now, recently may mga nagko-comment din na bakit ako nasa bansa ng kaaway? Di ba ayaw natin sa China? Gusto ko lang i-share yung thoughts ko about this. Kung may perspective din kayo, feel free to comment down below. Open naman tayo sa different perspectives. And I believe this is how we become sharper. Sa totoo lang, before flying out, before booking that flight ticket, ito din talagang nasa isip ko. I was really conflicted because of our political issues with China. But I'd like to think na we can explore China or the country while remaining politically aware and firm in our stance in protecting the sovereignty of the Philippines. Visiting isn't a betrayal of our stance. It's an education kasi we get to better understand the world and see things with our own eyes. By being there in China, I got to know the heart of the country through its people. May mga nakasalamuha tayo, di ba, araw-araw. Yung mga hardworking, na mga staff, na mga restaurants, mga hotels. Kahit hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan, they will really do their best to accommodate us. May mga random locals din, tayo nakakasalamuha, who willingly took my photos. So yung mga ganitong experience, yung mga hindi ko ine-expect, and traveling indeed equips us with brand new eyes. Siya black and white. We can travel the world while remaining firm in our stances with our principles. We can see the world, but we never forget what is rightfully ours. Sa totoo lang, yung trip na China na yon, nakakatapang siya, nakakamulat, nakakabusog ng puso at kaluluwa. No regrets na ginawa ko yung trip na yon.